Hey, my lovely viewers! Welcome back to Madhu's Plate YouTube cooking channel. Today we are cooking something truly special, Ambarella Curry. So are you ready to embark on this Ambarella Curry journey with me? It's fashion of tropical freshness and rich spices. A true celebration of flavors that you won't want to miss. Alright, let's head over to the kitchen and start crafting this incredible dish that's going to transport you straight to the tropics. I promise it's going to be a culinary adventure you will want to recreate over and over again. Okay guys, let's make our umbrella curry. Peel the umbrella. Cut the fruit into bite-sized chunks. If the fruit is too sour, you can soak the chunks in salted water for about 10 minutes to reduce the sourness. Drain and rinse before using. Put umbrella into the cooking jar. Add red chili powder. Curry powder. Turmeric powder. Fenugreek. Chop onions and garlic. Add onions. Add garlic. Curry leaves. Green chilies. Put a cup of water. Place the cooking jar on flame. Look at this. Umbrella is steamed. Now put coconut milk. Add salt. After about 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Place the pan on flame. Add red chili powder. Fry well. Sift the fried chili powder into another plate. Place the pan on the flame and add coconut oil. Add onions. Add curry leaves. Fried well. Add fried chili powder. Add fried curry powder too. Put the fried mixture into the Ambarella jar. Stir well. Switch on the flame. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can eat and check whether taste is good or not. If sugar or salt not enough, you can add now. I add salt. Finally, we add pepper. Thank you so much for joining me in this Ambarella curry cooking adventure. Hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious dish. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video if you found it helpful. Until the next time, happy cooking and stay inspired.